Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I've got some new makeup products from Walmart that I'm going to be testing out. These products are from a brand called InStudio Cosmetics. And what really caught my eye about these products in particular is that every single one of them was 97 cents. So if you're new here, my name's Haley. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's go see what we think of this 97-cent makeup. I got a lot of stuff here. So they did have eyeshadow and they only had singles. So I just kind of grabbed two that I thought might work together, a matte and a shimmer. This is the shimmer shade and it's called Wink. Cute. And this is the matte and it is called Tea. It might be a little light. I think that'll work. So I'm gonna take the little matte on a fluffy brush and we're just gonna get her going in the crease. Just get her going up in there crease, up in that there crease. It's a little dusty, not gonna lie. It's definitely there though, so that's nice. Not bad for a little 97-cent shadow. I mean, I am kind of really having to go back in. And I mean, it's not a very dark shade, but I think that's probably about as good as I'm gonna be able to build it up. So then let's do a packer brush with Miss Wink here. And I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna try with my finger on the other eye. Just see what it prefers. I think I like it better with a brush. For a $2 eyeshadow look, I am not mad about that. I think y'all are crooked. Hold on. So the only products that this line didn't have were foundation, concealer, and powder. So I'm gonna go do that real quick and I'll be right back for the rest of it. Okay, I want to check out this little brow pencil. The brow products they had was either a pencil or a brow gel. Color's not quite right for me. What's going on? Decent. And I mean, you guys know I don't do a lot to my brows. Anyways, I just kind of fill them in a little bit. But all I really want from a brow product is for it to work. I'd say that worked. And it even has a little spoolie and everything. I mean, 97 cents? Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. So we have a little felt tip eyeliner, 97 cents. Let's check it out. Oh, that doesn't look like a terrible tip. All right, let's see how it goes. This eyeliner is not bad, actually. It's not super pigmented, but it's pretty easy to apply. Like, I don't have any complaints about the tip or anything like that, so eyeliner's not bad. All right, mascara, let's do it. Let's do it. We have the cutest little mascara to try today. Hopeful for our little guy here. Let's check it out. Look at this tiny brush. All right, so if you'll excuse me for a couple hours while I put this mascara on. This brush, are you kidding me? Maybe I'll really like this for my lower lashes, we'll see. Mascara? No mascara. Could you even tell the difference? Yeah, so mascara is not really the tea, but okay, I'm gonna need to call for some backup for mascara. So I used my Believe Beauty mascara as backup, and do you see this lower lash now? Made a big difference. I maybe put a little bit too much on, but 97-cent makeup, it can't all be winners, I guess, right? By the way, I love the simplicity of this brand. Like, it literally is just bronzer, blush, highlighter. No crazy names, it's just calling it what it is. So I did get two bronzers because I wasn't really sure which one I was gonna like better. I guess I'll swatch them. I don't really ever swatch bronzers. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this one. It's just a touch more cool tone than the other. This is Fiji, and the other bronzer I got is Rio. My one complaint right off the bat about this bronzer is that it's very tiny. And for bronzer, I use a very big brush. Ooh, it's messy. Okay, wow, that's actually really nice. What? And I mean, let's not just act like it's the product. This Morphe brush really is so nice for bronzer. It's my most favorite bronzing brush ever. But like, man, did that go on easily. Okay, InStudio, I see you, Miss InStudio Cosmetics. Oh! Dang it. I like went bump, 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 and then started knocking it off on the little component. And that's what happened. Why? I liked you. Oh, and then I just tapped it again and now it's just all broken. 97 cents, 97-cent makeup, 97-cent makeup. What do you expect? I feel like that looks pretty nice though. Doesn't matter anyways, it's broken, I can't use it anymore. Now I'm mad. How dare you? Okay, whatever. Let's move on to blush. Now, here's the thing. Where they put these products was like on the end of the aisle. So I was just like stuck out in the like big aisle where everybody's like walking through trying to pick things out. So I kind of just had to like grab things. So no guarantee that this blush is gonna be good or right or anything like that. Same thing for highlighter and all of the lip products. I kind of just was like, I like looked like this crazy person just like holding all of these little tiny makeup items. Also, I didn't grab a cart or anything when I went into Walmart. I just had like a couple things that I was gonna be picking up and I wasn't anticipating that I would be grabbing a bunch of makeup stuff. So I put some of it in my purse, not to be like shady, but I literally just couldn't hold it all in my hands. And I wasn't about to like huff my way all the way back up to the front just to grab a cart. So I like put it in my purse, full intention to pay for it. And I did pay for all of it. I can show you the receipt, but I was like getting something else later and something fell out of my purse and this girl just like looked at me. She probably thought I was stealing it. I was like, I don't have a cart. So for blush, I got this shade Dusk. I kind of like it. I think it'll work. It maybe looks just a little dark, but we'll see how it goes. It's cute. They had several different, of like all of these, they had several different bronzers, several different blushes, several different highlighters. I got the shade Rose Glow. We're gonna put this highlighter on, but I'm just like not really sure I need it. I'm wearing a very like radiant glowy foundation right now. I want to swatch it first. Okay, it's soft-ish. Hold on. That's the eyeshadow. Okay, they're a little bit different in color, but I was like, they look extremely similar. I'm honestly not sure if that is the highlighter or just my face, because look how glowy I am on this side too. I'm so shiny, what's happening? It's pretty though, and it was 97 cents, so okay. Lip products. I got a few. Okay, so let's start with this guy. This is matte lip cream, and it does not have the actual shade name on the component, so I will forget this eventually. This is Hamptons. Kind of orangey, more orangey than I was expecting it to be. This is Heartbeat, but they spelled Beet, B-E-E-T, which I'm assuming they did on purpose. That's it right there, Heartbeat. Okay, this one's called Lips, but Better. Ooh, I like that. That's it right there. And they had a lot of these too. A lot of these matte lip creams, a lot of lip glosses. Like there was like variety. Ooh, they don't want to come off. Look at that. Wow. I'm going to use the one that's called Lips, but Better. Wow. Okay, so that dries really, really fast. Not a lot of time to work with it. My liquid lips, I need you to give me a little bit of time to kind of finesse it and get it how I want it, you know? This one was just too quick. Finally, I got two little lip glosses from them. One that's kind of sparkly, one that's not. So this one is called Cupcake, and this one is called Frosting. How appropriate. I'm gonna try the sparkly one out. Oh! 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 Ah, I was not expecting that. Okay. Once I kind of got it like pushed around, it's not sticky or anything. It's okay. I'd be interested to try this one because apparently these glosses are pretty opaque. Let me put this on the back of my hand, check it out. Oh my gosh, yeah, look how opaque that is. Wow, look at this. Look at that. Okay, 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 okay. I can maybe vibe with that. I will say that I've tried some matte lipsticks kind of like this from Shop Miss A, which is a site that sells everything for $1. So they're also dollar lipsticks is what I'm getting at. And I like these better than the Shop Miss A ones for sure. Okay, so I jumped off to put my lashes on. So eyeshadows were pretty nice. I like the little neutral look that I came up with. I think it looks very cute. The brow pencil and the eyeliner, not new holy grails or anything, but they both worked well. So I would say for 97 cents, yeah, these were good products. And then the mascara. I think y'all know how I feel about this little mascara. It's precious, but it's garbage. It's garbage. I don't like it. I thought the bronzer was lovely. I thought it worked really well. I thought it applied really easily and didn't, you know, it wasn't over the top and it blended and it was nice and then it broke. I mean, it was 97 cents, but it didn't only break in the pan. It broke in my heart. I am tempted to go pick up another one. I think I'll just try this other one. And if this one breaks too, then I'm over it. If this one doesn't break, I might try to pick up another one. It's 97 cents. The blush is lovely. Highlighter, again, I honestly have no idea if it worked or not. I'm sure it did a little bit. Yeah, I mean, you can kind of see. I just feel like my face is really shiny right now. Like, look at my chin. I did not put any highlighter on my chin, you guys, okay? Or on my forehead. I'm just like shine city over here. It's 97 cents. I think it's a good product for what they're asking for it, you know? So the lip creams, I mean, the colors are nice. It's 97 cents, you know? The glosses surprised me. I was not expecting them to be so opaque, but they are. The one that I have on right now is pretty comfortable, and it was 97 cents. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll come back and watch another video and hang out with me again very soon. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.